Breeding Seed, Cultivating Environment is the title of this exhibition and the title, of course, of a workshop that we did in collaboration with the municipality of Milano.
This year we managed to work with the students in order to get new ideas on how to communicate the ecological transition and the air pollution within the city.
With the students, we used a nudging approach. So we started defining very specific groups of users, and then for each one of them we tried to develop a communication system or a system of activities and services that were gently pushing them towards using and developing more sustainable behaviors.
As a municipality of Milan, as a group working on Milano Cambiaria, it was beautiful to see the work of all these international students and to gain so many interesting and new ideas to put into our work.